Hey, crypto family. So today we're going to go over the analysis for Bitcoin and exactly what's been going on. So you can see it's been down 0.65% today to $6,593. Going over to the chart here is the daily chart, and you can see it's been hovering around that $6,600 level for a couple days now. Now, I drew a couple support and resistance lines for the channel it's been moving in. So you can see this previous resistance I now drew as support. It's about 65.50. And then this previous resistance here is at 67.50. So you can see it tried to break above 67.50. It couldn't close above that. And then here it's couldn't close above the or below the support of 65.50. So if we break one way or the other, then I do see that, having a bearish momentum or bullish momentum. But if we zoom out here, we can see we have a triangle that a lot of people have been drawing, and basically it's tightening as we get towards the end of this month. It'll start coming to an apex very soon, and you can see here that it's between about $6,000 and about $6,700. So that's roughly, or about $6,750. That's roughly the range we're looking at right here. Now, of course, you can see here it's bounced a couple times at 6,000. It had support at 6,100. So again, I think this is a very valid range, and I think, a lot of people are waiting to see what's going to happen as we move forward. But I also want to mention the moving average that I have drawn here. So this blue line is the 50-day moving average, the orange is the 128-day, and then the purple is 200-day. So you can see right now that the 50-day is acting as somewhat of a support. I don't really want to call it support since, it is starting to close below that. But if we actually go to the 4-hour, we can see these moving averages more distinctly. And you can see here that it's actually staying in between the 4 hours 200-day moving average and then 128-day moving average. So if we break one of these, then I do see, some momentum could gain from that. Again, the 200-day is at about 66.10, and then the 128-day is at 6,500. So if we break these either way, then I do see some positive momentum, going from that. But again, right now the RSI, it is dead middle right now. It is right at 50, and I don't know if we're going to have a move soon, but it seems like this is the calm before the storm, and I do believe that we will have a big move one way or the other. But again, if you're thinking about which way to trade, I'd probably just hold off right now until we do have some indicators. If we break these moving averages here, or we break these support or resistance lines, to pick your trades there versus kind of guessing, because really it's a coin flip right now. Everyone I've been talking to and everyone I've seen, they basically are all saying the same thing, that it's no one really knows what is going to happen. Of course, there is that bearish momentum, that bearish sentiment from the trend that's been going on for this whole year. And you can see here, it's just tried to knock over this triangle and couldn't break resistance, so then it fell back down. So is this going to happen again? And are we going to break through that 6,000 support that's been holding for, past 3 times? So we'll have to see what happens there. But with that, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, thanks for watching.